We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive and detailed look at the Pukavt 4-pack Balaclava Face Mask, a ski mask designed for both men and women that offers UV protection, windproof capabilities, and versatility for outdoor activities such as motorcycling, snowboarding, and cycling. This review compiles user experiences and expert insights to help you understand what makes this product stand out and where it might fall short. If you already own this balaclava, please leave your review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The Pukavt Balaclava Face Mask is crafted from 100% lightweight polyester fabric, which is soft, breathable, and highly elastic. Users consistently praise the material for being thin yet durable, comparable in thickness to an activewear t-shirt, which allows it to fit comfortably under helmets without adding bulk or causing overheating. This feature is especially appreciated by motorcyclists, cyclists, and skiers who require a close-fitting layer that does not interfere with helmet fit or comfort. The fabric's breathability also means it allows moisture to escape, preventing sweat accumulation and reducing discomfort during intense physical activity or long hours of wear. One of the standout features of this balaclava is its effective protection against wind, dust, and UV rays. Users report that it blocks cold wind well, making it suitable for use in moderately cold weather, particularly around 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The UV protection adds significant value for those spending extended time outdoors, shielding the skin from harmful sun exposure. This combination of windproof and UV protective qualities makes the balaclava a practical choice for a variety of outdoor sports and activities. The fit of the Pukavt balaclava is generally described as good, with enough stretch to accommodate different head sizes comfortably. Many users note that the sizing runs true and that the mask offers a snug but not overly tight fit, which helps it stay securely in place during vigorous activity without causing itching or discomfort. The eye port is wide enough to accommodate glasses comfortably, an important consideration for many wearers. The mask can be worn in multiple configurations, including as a full face mask, half face mask, neck gaiter, helmet liner, bandana, or headband, adding to its versatility. In terms of style, the balaclava is available in a variety of colors and patterns, including solid colors like black, gray, and red, as well as camouflage prints in blue, green, and pink. Users appreciate this range, which allows them to select a design that suits their personal taste or matches their gear. The stitching quality is generally regarded as good, with strong seams that hold up well to repeated use and washing. Despite its many strengths, the Pukavt balaclava does have some limitations. Some users with larger heads find the fit to be quite tight, which may cause discomfort if a looser fit is preferred. Conversely, users with smaller heads often find the fit perfect, suggesting that individual head shape and size may affect comfort. Another common critique is that the balaclava does not provide substantial insulation for extremely cold conditions. While it effectively blocks wind and dust, it should be considered a supplementary layer rather than a primary source of warmth in freezing temperatures. Some users recommend layering 2 balaclavas for improved insulation while maintaining a good fit under a helmet. Additionally, a few users have expressed disappointment that the product does not include an eye cover as advertised, which limits full face protection. The mouth area in some designs is partially transparent, which can be beneficial for communication or costume purposes, but may not suit everyone's needs for anonymity or full coverage. Another minor issue is that when pulled up to cover the nose, exhaled breath can sometimes fog up helmet visors or glasses. This is a common challenge with many balaclavas and can often be mitigated by adjusting the mask to sit just below the nose. The balaclava is also easy to maintain, being machine washable, wrinkle-free, and quick drying. This makes it practical for frequent use, especially for those who engage in outdoor activities regularly. The lightweight and compact design means it is easy to pack and carry spares in a backpack or gear bag. Users have found the Pukavt balaclava useful beyond sports, including for cosplay, work-related costumes, and dust protection during outdoor chores or urban cycling. Its multifunctionality adds to its appeal, making it a versatile accessory for various needs. Overall, the Pukavt 4-pack Balaclava Face Mask is a practical and versatile accessory for anyone who spends time outdoors in windy, dusty, or moderately cold conditions. Its key strengths lie in its comfortable fit, breathability, and ability to function as a thin, unobtrusive layer under helmets. While it does not provide significant warmth for extreme cold, it excels as a wind and dust barrier, and as a hygienic layer between skin and helmet padding. The affordable price and multi-pack options add to its value, making it a popular choice among outdoor enthusiasts and commuters alike. If you have experience with the Pukavt Balaclava Face Mask, please share your thoughts in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Remember, the link to purchase the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. This review is based on a thorough collection of user feedback and expert analysis to give you a clear and detailed understanding of what to expect from this balaclava.